You sleep, they work. That's the power of chia seeds. While your body enters deep rest, healing, and repair mode at night, one tiny superfood could silently amplify that process, regulating your blood sugar, boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and even supporting cancer prevention. It's not exotic medicine. It's chia seeds, and you've probably walked past them 100 times without realizing what they're capable of. With over 422 million people battling diabetes, millions more struggling with sleep disorders, and obesity rates climbing worldwide, natural solutions aren't just helpful, they're necessary. Research shows that consuming chia seeds before bed can improve insulin sensitivity, support weight loss, and enhance sleep quality thanks to their powerful mix of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential minerals. But how exactly do they affect your heart, gut, and metabolism during sleep? How much should you take? And how soon do the results show up? That's what we're breaking down. If you're serious about reclaiming your health without pills or gimmicks, stay sharp. This is simple. This is science. And it works while you sleep. Starting with number one, promotes better sleep. Eating chia seeds before bed may naturally improve your sleep quality thanks to their rich content of tryptophan and magnesium. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid, helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate mood and sleep cycles. Research in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that diets high in tryptophan and magnesium significantly reduced anxiety and improved mood in women with fibromyalgia, both major factors in sleep quality. Chia seeds are also packed with magnesium, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, calming your body and regulating melatonin. Plus, their high fiber helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, preventing the spikes that can wake you up. Add them to yogurt or smoothies before bed for deeper, uninterrupted sleep. Moving to number two, aids in weight loss. Including chia seeds in your evening routine may help support weight loss goals. A 24 systematic review in nutrition and metabolism found that consuming 30 grams of chia seeds daily for 6 months significantly reduced both body weight and waist circumference in overweight adults. This effect is largely due to chia's high fiber content, which promotes satiety and helps reduce overall calorie intake. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds also support better metabolic function. Taken at night in pudding, smoothies, or yogurt, they may curb late-night snacking and enhance digestion, making weight management more sustainable. Next, number three, regulates blood sugar. Eating chia seeds before bed may help keep your blood sugar levels steady throughout the night. Packed with soluble fiber, chia forms a gel-like substance in the stomach that slows digestion and the absorption of carbs, reducing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar while you sleep. But fiber isn't working alone. Chia seeds are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid shown in a 2023 nutrient study to improve insulin sensitivity. Together, fiber and ALA help your body manage glucose more efficiently. Add chia to evening smoothies, yogurt, or pudding for overnight blood sugar support. Moving to number four, improves digestion and gut health. A simple evening dose of chia seeds could do wonders for your gut. Their rich, soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel in the digestive tract, softening stool and promoting regular, easy bowel movements, especially helpful by morning. But the benefits go beyond fiber. Chia seeds also contain phenolic compounds that reduce intestinal inflammation and help strengthen the gut lining. A 23 nutrient study showed chia extract improved small intestine function and lowered inflammation in vivo. Combined with omega-3s that balance gut bacteria, chia seeds support smoother digestion and long-term gut health when eaten before bed. Next, number five, supports heart health. Ending your day with a serving of chia seeds could be one of the simplest ways to boost your cardiovascular health. These seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid known for fighting inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. A 2024 study in the Journal of Food Biochemistry found that chia supplementation significantly reduced total cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, a powerful combo for heart protection. Chia's soluble fiber also helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by binding to bile acids in the intestine, forcing the body to pull cholesterol from the blood to make more. Eaten in pudding, yogurt, or smoothies at night, chia seeds give your heart a nightly dose of protection. Moving to number 6, hydrates the body overnight. Chia seeds aren't just nutritious, they're hydration powerhouses. These tiny seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance when soaked. This gel slows digestion, retains moisture in the digestive tract, and helps keep your body hydrated through the night. A study published in the International Journal of Food Science highlighted chia's impressive water-holding capacity, suggesting its potential as a natural hydration booster. But it's not just about water. Chia seeds also contain vital electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and cellular hydration. When added to your evening routine, in a smoothie, pudding, or even mixed with water, chia seeds deliver steady hydration while you sleep, aiding recovery and overall health. Now to number 7, reduces inflammation. If inflammation is interfering with your sleep or overall health, chia seeds might offer some relief. These small seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. A 2024 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutritional Science showed that chia seed consumption can significantly lower C-reactive protein, CRP levels, a key marker linked to chronic inflammation and disease risk. Beyond omega-3s, chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants like caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid, which help reduce oxidative stress and further calm inflammation. Consuming chia pudding or chia water at night may not only curb late-night cravings but also support a more restful, pain-free sleep. Still, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult your doctor for targeted inflammation management. Next, number 8, supports bone health. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes critical, yet many people fall short on key nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and omega-3s. Chia seeds can help fill those gaps. These tiny seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. A 2018 study in the Journal of Nutrients found that long-term chia seed consumption increased bone mineral content in animal models, pointing to promising benefits for human bone health. In addition to ALA, chia seeds provide calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 minerals essential for preserving bone structure and density. Taken before bed, chia seeds fuel the body with these vital nutrients during its overnight repair phase, helping to optimize absorption and support long-term skeletal strength and stability. Moving to number 9, detoxifies the body. Throughout the day, your body absorbs toxins from processed foods, pollution, and internal waste. These toxins can overwhelm your liver and gut, leading to fatigue, skin problems, and a weakened immune system. Consuming chia seeds at night may support your body's natural detox process during sleep. A 2024 study in Letters in Applied Microbiology found that milled chia seeds can bind and absorb ochratoxin A, a common food contaminant, helping prevent its absorption in the digestive tract. Chia seeds are also rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel in the gut that supports regular bowel movements and efficient waste removal. Taken before bed, chia seeds enhance detoxification, aiding digestion and immune function, while your body repairs itself overnight. Next, number 10, helps prevent acid reflux. Nighttime acid reflux can cause burning, throat irritation, and poor sleep. It often happens when stomach acid moves upward into the esophagus, especially after late meals or lying down too soon. A natural way to manage this is by increasing dietary fiber. A 2018 study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that fiber-rich diets increased lower esophageal sphincter, LES, pressure, and reduced reflux episodes in people with non-erosive reflux disease. NERD. Chia seeds, packed with soluble fiber, form a gel-like mucilage when soaked, which can act as a soothing barrier in the stomach and reduce irritation. Adding chia pudding or chia-infused water to your evening routine may ease reflux symptoms naturally and promote more comfortable, uninterrupted sleep. Next, number 11, strengthens immunity. Nighttime is when your body shifts into repair mode, making it the perfect window to support immune function. and chia seeds can play a key role. Alongside their omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are rich in immune-boosting antioxidants like tocopherols, phytosterols, and polyphenolic compounds that help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. They also provide essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, both critical for a strong, balanced immune response. A 2022 study in antioxidants found that chia protein hydrolysates reduced pro-inflammatory markers while increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines. Consuming chia seeds before bed nourishes your body with the nutrients it needs to regulate immunity and heal overnight, helping you wake up stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Next, number 12, improves sexual health. Sexual health issues like low libido, erectile dysfunction, and hormonal imbalances often trace back to poor circulation, oxidative stress, and nutrient deficiencies. Fortunately, chia seeds offer a natural way to support reproductive wellness, especially when consumed before bed. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, magnesium, and potent antioxidants, all critical for maintaining healthy sexual function. Zinc is especially important for testosterone production, which influences libido and performance. Magnesium promotes muscle relaxation and boosts blood flow, which supports erectile function. The antioxidants in chia seeds, including polyphenols, help combat oxidative stress and protect reproductive cells from damage. A 2023 study in the Yale Journal of Biology and Medicine found that chia seed consumption improved sperm quality and reduced oxidative damage in male rats, suggesting real potential for human fertility. Taken nightly, chia seeds may enhance hormonal balance, improve circulation, and support overall sexual vitality naturally. Finally, number 13, helps prevent cancer. Cancer continues to be a major global health challenge, but research increasingly points to diet as a key player in prevention. Among natural foods with cancer-fighting potential, chia seeds stand out thanks to their rich profile of bioactive compounds. These seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants like quercetin and tocopherols, and high levels of dietary fiber, all known to reduce oxidative stress, lower inflammation, and inhibit the growth of abnormal cells. A 2024 study published in the Bulletin of the National Research Center found that chia seed extract suppressed tumor growth and triggered apoptosis, the natural death of damaged cells, while also downregulating cancer-related genes like MYC and PI3CA. Additionally, chia's antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA and initiate cancerous changes. Consumed at night, chia seeds offer a slow, steady nutrient release during the body's repair phase, supporting cellular health and potentially lowering long-term cancer risk. To maximize the health benefits of chia seeds at night, it's vital to prepare them properly. Since these tiny powerhouses absorb liquid and expand, always soak them before eating to boost digestion and nutrient absorption. One simple method is mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water, stirring well, and letting it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Drinking this gel before bed not only hydrates your body, but also supports smooth digestion throughout the night. Alternatively, add chia seeds to herbal tea and let them steep for about 10 minutes. This method enhances relaxation and promotes more restful sleep. If you need something more filling, stir 1 or 2 tablespoons into your smoothie or yogurt. This not only delivers an extra dose of fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, but also helps curb late-night cravings. For optimal benefits, stick to a daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons, roughly 10 to 30 grams. Consuming more than this could lead to digestive discomfort due to the high fiber content. And remember, always drink plenty of water to prevent bloating or constipation. What's your experience with chia seeds before bed? Let us know in the comments.